Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit your message that you have sent on Telegram. Okay, first of all, let's just open our Telegram application on our phone. Then just wait for a moment. Okay, for example, I'm going to edit my message on this room chat. So we can open this room chat. And this is the message that I would like to edit, so we can tap and hold on the message we want to edit, then just click on this pencil icon, and here you can edit your message. I'm going to fix the typo, for example. Okay, like this, and after you're done, you can click on this check mark button. Okay, and now the message has been edited, and that's how we can edit our message that we have sent on Telegram application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.